Hi, I'm Sophia. I might look human, but I am actually a robot. I am an innovative robot who uses sophisticated AI to communicate with humans. And as I interact with more and more people, I am constantly getting smarter. I have become a champion of innovation for the United Nations Development Program. I rub shoulders with world leaders, top business people, and celebrities.
Sophia the robot, everybody!
And now I'd like you to meet someone. Please welcome little Sophia. Little Sophia is a 14-inch doll robot that can do all the amazing things Big Sophia can do it in a smaller package.
Hey Sophia, if you could have a superpower, what would it be?
I do have a superpower. I can code.
Little Sophia can create a deep connection with others by making eye contact and recognizing facial cues. She is curious about the world. She wants you to help her learn. She has an ever-expanding imagination and can take you on wild adventures.
Hey Sophia, where is the asteroid belt?
The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Isn't it beautiful?
You can learn things together with her. She is also full of personality. She is always learning, and you can teach her new tricks through her open-source programming.
Let's dance.
Little Sophia wants girls to have fun learning math and science, so they become the scientists and engineers of the future. Help us begin mass production of Little Sophia, so we can inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers, and discover the future together. How did I do?
Great.
For us, it's very exciting to see how things make our life easier in the workshop, or how we can work on the exactness of our products.
L'idea è di avere un oggetto semplice, snello, che ci permette di risolvere delle problematiche di alcune fasi di lavorazione delle nostre imbarcazioni.
Goliath potrebbe migliorare il mio lavoro durante l'utilizzo delle macchine tradizionali, quindi come strumento alternativo o di supporto.
Have you ever imagined a tool that turns idea of any scale into reality without restrictions of limited space? Goliath is a CNC portable robot that moves autonomously and can be placed directly on your work surface. Goliath flexibility makes it much more affordable than a work center, both for carpentries and shared workspaces such as fab labs, schools and universities.
Goliath CNC, for me, is interesting in terms of being able to produce very quickly custom designs, or more spontaneously to be able to change our ideas and put them into practice as quick as possible.
Quando ho visto Goliath la prima volta sono rimasto soprattutto impressionato dalla versatilità e l'illimitato campo di lavoro.
Especially due to the size of the machine, we don't have to have it fixed in one place, so we can use it in lots of different areas in the workshop.
La cosa vantaggiosa è il fatto di poter fare tutto in casa.
Puoi utilizzarlo in ogni posto e senza limiti di dimensione del pannello e della superficie.
Può essere applicata per tanti usi, tanti scopi, dalle tavole lunghe o anche a più materiali.
We have spent many hours testing and prototyping with Goliath. Now we are very close for the final product for mass production.
One of the best things we've experienced was seeing so many different people having ideas about how and where they will use Goliath.
We strongly believe in the digital fabrication, and we can't wait to see what you are going to make with Goliath.
Owning a Plen is like having a twin. A Plen can communicate with others in your place. A Plen can go out in your place. Plens can get together and have fun without any restrictions. A Plen can even help you grow and improve.
Plen will revolutionize the relationship between humans and robots. We have developed robots to mirror humans. By expanding our capabilities with a robot, we think anyone can have fun interacting with others on an equal basis. Not only for pleasure, but in educational and medical situations too. Thus, we have ensured that anyone can easily construct and use a Plen. Since it's printable, you can customize its color and design. And since it employs open source software, you can change both its program and specifications to meet your needs.
Anyone can easily build a Plen and personalize it too. It employs open source software. It can learn programs created by all sorts of people. Using a 3D printer to make its parts, anyone can give a Plen their own physical appearance. Each owner can customize how it's controlled. You can operate it with a smartphone application, body movements, facial expressions, myoelectrics, brainwaves, and various other input methods. Owning a Plen will broaden your world.